Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss about trend levels and how you can trade effectively using the trend levels. I have enabled my long short bot along with the trend levels. So how you can trade with this trend levels is this has about 10 lines. The trend levels, if it is red, that means it's extremely overbought and there's a potential that the bears may come in control and the price may start falling, and these blue lines are an indication that the bears are exhausted and bulls may take over. The white line is the ultimate support line, and the pink line and the green line are the potential reversal lines. So using the these trend levels, you can easily decide whether you have to go long or a short position. For example, as I said, for example, let us consider that you are trading here and you set an alert for a long position and you got a long position. Okay, you got a long alert on your trading view. So the moment you get that, since it is trading in the blue line, that means the bears are exhausted and the bulls may take over. So you can comfortably go for a long position with appropriate risk to reward. Okay, so where to put your you know take profit targets onto this particular white line that act as ultimate support and ultimate resistance. So what happened, price broke the resistance also. For my ease, I am using 30-minute candle, okay, 30-minute chart. Okay, so this is how you can trade using this particular setup. Okay, and as I said, this white line will act as the ultimate support and resistance. You can see our algorithm gave short signal, but still the price came to the support and again it bounced over. So what you have to wait for this long signal. The moment you get long signal, you have to just put a proper risk to reward uh, and go for a long position. And your take profit target should be this orange line or this red line. So as you can see, the price went and broke even the this particular ultimate resistance line, and then it shot over it. So what you have to do again, since as I said this pink line can be a potential reversal line and we got a short signal, so what you should do is you should immediately short and wait for the price to hit this white line, which is a good support or a ultimate support. Now the moment you see the price coming near the white line but it didn't hit the white line, but we got a long position, so what you should do, you should go for a long. Okay, so again the price went and it came to this particular resistance region and it didn't break that region, and your take profit would have hit. Okay, or you can use a trailing profit. Okay, so in both the ways you are making profit only here. Here we got a long and short immediate signal, but no worries. Here we saw a green line, which is a potential bull or a reversal line. We go comfortably with the long position, and I reminded you, I have told you already that this white line will be acting as a ultimate support or it may be acting as a resistance line. Look what happened to the price. It came here and again it came down. So if you had used proper risk to reward ratio and uh, proper take profit level, you would have made profit here also. So there is no chance that you will be losing position. Okay, so again we come here, the price is in these support lines. So as I said, the support lines are an indication that bulls may take over. So what you should do, you should wait for a long signal and you go for a long position till where, till this green line, because this also may be acting as a support or a resistance region. So I got a support here, and the price didn't break this green line. The moment you see short, you should short it, okay, and also keep your take profit over here. Again, you got a long position from this support region where bulls take control, and again you go for a long position. As we can see, the stock is making higher lows and higher highs. It's an indication that there is a uptrend coming. Look what happens in this situation. The price is above this white line, that is the ultimate support line. So what you should do is wait for this long signal and immediately go for a long position. Till where? This orange line can be your take profit one. This red line can be your take profit two. So you would have made 8.77% here, but with leverage and margin trading, you would have made more also. Okay. So look what happened. Price hit this region, and now a new trend lines are formed here. Okay, new trend lines are formed, sorry, the trend support lines are formed here. Now what you should do, as I told you, this orange line is also acting as a resistance. So the moment you see a short signal near the resistance line, you should immediately go for a short position. Okay, so immediately go for a short position and wait for this wait for the support or line or a moving average line. What happened here? The price came near the white line, that is the strong support region, and also these two moving average line, and we got a long signal. So the moment you see long signal near the white line, or this is the ultimate support line, then what you should do, you should go immediately for a long position. So I open a long position here, and I keep my take profit near the pink region, this pink line. See what happened? Price went till here and again it came down. But if you would have gone for long with take profit, your take profit would have been executed. Okay. So again, the price is again near the take strong support region. Again you got a long signal, so you again go for a long position. So like that, you can trade any chart, any currency, any forex with this indicator. For the ease of explanation, I've used 30-minute candle. You can use, sorry, 30-minute chart. You can use 2-hour chart also. The working remains the same. As you can see, long near the ultimate support line. This is the white line, and we go for a long position. And in the 2-hour chart, you see this orange line is the resistance line, main resistance line, and this is the strong resistance line. Red is the strong resistance line. Okay, so you can see price touched this resistance and came down. You can see how nicely the price is moving up. This is for the bank nifty. I can show it for different stocks. For example, this is for BTC USDT. Look how the price near the major support line, and you got a long signal, how price went up and it is finding resistance in the orange line, near the orange line. Okay, so you will get ultimate long and short signals. So you can see here also the price is near the support line and you got a long signal, so you should comfortably long, and your take profit should be near the pink line, and keep appropriate risk to reward ratio. So you got a 3.75% with 20x leverage. You would have made 60% with this trade. and even here, this is the orange line, this is the resistance line, and you got a short signal. So immediately you should go for a shorting of the position. Okay, so how much you would have made with this is around 4.94. With 20x leverage you would have made more than 80% the moment you get this short signal. So like this you can trade using this trend support lines. Okay, I call this as trend lines. uh, those trend lines are different, but these trend supports are work on different calculations. It is tried and tested. I have been observing this for last 3 to 4 months, and it is working really well. I thought I should share with you, and this will make significant difference in your trading. Okay, you'll get good long and short along with this trend support lines, where you can judge whether the price will move up or down based upon the support and resistance regions. Okay, so this will be acting as a support and resistance regions as well. The calculations of this is totally different from the calculation of the pivots, whichever you see, that's a different calculation. This involves different calculation. Okay, so I can show it for the another stock as well. For example, look, I have took SBIN, and as you can see, the price is near these blue lines. That's an ultimate support where the bulls take control, and you got a long signal. You should immediately go for a long position, and you should keep your take profit at this white and pink lines. Okay, so here the price went really up till 196, so you would have made enough money. Okay, again, this white line, I told you, it acts as a very strong support line. You got a long position, sorry, long signal here. So what you should immediately do, you should go for a long position and keep your take profit at this pink line. There's a one more pink line, but it's faded. That means this particular resistance will not act as strong as this resistance, but the price went and it reversed from here. So you can put your take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here. Okay, and also you can consider this particular line as well. Okay, so as I said, the price is above near this you know strong support line, and you got a long position, then price again rallied. I can go on and show you n number of charts, and you will be amazed with the performance of this setup. Okay, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and please join my Telegram channel to know more about how to do trading and what are the different techniques that are not usually shared in other YouTube channel. So I'm going to share all those techniques in my Telegram channel. I hope you liked the video, and please click the like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this channel to your family and friends. And I will come up with a new video with a new type of technique. Thank you.